Hello, Portland Public School students. Over the past couple weeks, we've been doing a lot of work with artificial intelligence, specifically in the realm of AI image generators. Now, one thing we have not touched on yet is the more honestly common thing, and that thing that has really put AI on the mark, and that is ChatGPT. Now, currently, Portland Public Schools does not allow the use of ChatGPT in the middle schools, but that is going to change when students get to high school. Okay, you are going to learn about kind of more the ethical use of using a predictive text model to refine writing and things like that when you're in high school, but I did want to give you a quick preview of that and just being aware of the fact that, we don't allow it here, but it oftentimes is used by students. So the question that we have and then we want to answer today is, how can we really use this in a way that is ethical, that avoids plagiarism, and still is human? Okay, so let's dive right in. All right, and that brings us to today's activity. What I'd like you to do is you're going to read this set of cards that each give a different scenario of what a student is using AI for. What you're going to determine by reading each card is whether the student is cheating or not cheating, right? And if we're thinking of cheating as relying too much on AI and not on their own ideas and work. So take a look at each card and then see where you draw the line to get a better idea of how we can ethically use AI in our own work. All right, now there's so many different aspects of AI that we haven't gotten into, especially around the ethical side of things. So what I'd like your next part of class to be focused on is just discussing some of the finer things that we didn't get a chance to cover in our short trimester together. So I'd like you to consider AI and its impact on climate change. I'd like you to think about AI and its impact on the art world. And I'd like you to think about AI and its potential to end the world forever, or its potential not to. So I hope you enjoyed discussing these things. There are videos attached to each one if you need a little more context around it. But I look forward to joining in the conversations here and hearing what you have to say. Thank you. All right, one other thing I wanted to touch on, just so you are prepared, is that Wednesday's lesson we are going to be covering the topic of sexting. Now, I say this just so that you are mentally prepared. I didn't want you to have to show up Wednesday and then realize that for the first time. But I do want you to think about who you are sitting next to, just someone you can be honest with. Not that you're going to be revealing anything personal, but I know this can be an uncomfortable topic, and I just want you to be next to people who you are comfortable chatting with about this, or at least a little uncomfort as possible. So, there you have it.